Hello students, in the last video you have studied neighboring countries of India, in which about four countries you have learned, that was Pakistan, Afghanistan, China and Bhutan. And the left neighboring countries today we will read is Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Now let us start from the country Nepal. Now first of all you see the flag of Nepal. It's a flag of Nepal. And now with the help of this political map of Nepal, I will make you understand about the country. Nepal is a country in South Asia bordering the Republic of India and the People's Republic of China. And Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, is found there. And where the Mount Everest is found, it is in Nepal only, as well as the Himalayan mountains, and 12 of the world's highest mountain peaks are in Nepal. And it is also the birthplace of the Buddha. And it has recently become a secular country, but before it was only Hindu kingdom in the world. And Nepal is a very important pilgrimage place for both the Hindus and the Buddhists. The population of Nepal in 2007 was almost 29 million people. And Nepali is the official language, and there are many other regional language, and English and Hindi are widely understood. The capital city of Nepal is Kathmandu, which has a population of over 2 million people. The second largest city is Pokhara. Here you can see the picture of the city Pokhara. And Pokhara is a major tourist attraction of Nepal, which is rich in natural beauty. And Pokhara includes many lakes. Peva Tal is one of them. So it was about Nepal. Now next country is Myanmar. First you see the flag of Myanmar. Now with the help of the political map of Myanmar, you will understand about this country. Myanmar, officially the Republic of the Union of Myanmar, and also known as Burma. This you have to remember it, that Myanmar was previously known as Burma, is a sovereign state in Southeast Asia. Myanmar is bordered by India and Bangladesh to its west, Thailand and Laos to its east, and China to its north and northeast. You see the map carefully, then you will understand. Now to its south, about 1/3 of Myanmar's total perimeter of 5,876 kilometers forms an uninterrupted coastline of 1,930 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. The country's 2040 census counted the population to be 51 million people. As of 2017, the population is about 54 million. Myanmar is 676 and 578 square kilometers in size, and its capital city is Naypyidaw, and its largest city and former capital of Yangon. And Myanmar has been a member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations since 1997. So it was about Myanmar. And the next country is our Bangladesh. First you see the flag of Bangladesh. Now you can see the political map of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country in South Asia. It is next to the Northeast era states of India, which converges with Southeast Asia to the east, and its full name is the People's Republic of Bangladesh. The capital and the largest city is Dhaka. Bangladesh is surrounded on all three sides by the Republic of India, Bharat, and Myanmar, Burma on the southeastern corner. You see the map? And it is near the People's Republic of China, Bhutan, Sikkim, and Nepal. The local currency is called Taka, and the official language is Bengali. So it was a short description about the country Bangladesh. Now our last neighboring country which we have to read is Sri Lanka. Now first you see the flag of Sri Lanka. It's a flag of Sri Lanka. And now with the help of the political map of Sri Lanka, you see this. Now Sri Lanka, officially called the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, is an island country in South Asia, located in the Indian Ocean to the southwest of the Bay of Bengal and to the southeast of the Arabian Sea. You see the map? Now it is separated from the Indian subcontinent by the Gulf of Mannar and the Park Strait. And the legislative capital, Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte, is a suburb of the commercial capital and largest city, Colombo. You see the map, then you'll understand. So here I gave you a short description of the country Sri Lanka. So here we have completed our chapter. I hope you all have understood about our neighboring countries of India. And you read the chapter once again, and see the map carefully. And you have to remember, you can draw the pictures of these flags. This flag, the left, in the previous video, I have given you the homework to draw the map up to Bhutan. And now you will draw the map of Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. This is your homework. And the classwork, first you do the exercises A, B, C, and D. This you have to do in your book. This is your classwork, and you will draw the map of the neighboring, flag of the neighboring country of India. This is your homework. Thank you.